The video documents an extremely hazardous industrial incident inside a manufacturing facility involving heavy stamping or press machinery. The footage shows a worker operating in dangerously close proximity to the machine's critical operating zone. Without warning, the press begins its downward cycle and the worker becomes trapped or severely impacted by the moving mechanical components. The worker is pinned in a perilous position, requiring immediate assistance from colleagues. This event serves as a critical reminder that safety guards must always be fully functional and positioned around the point of operation on all presses. It reinforces the absolute necessity of maintaining safe distance from the machine envelope and strictly following established operating procedures to prevent catastrophic crush injuries. The video captures a highly dangerous incident in a manufacturing or storage facility where workers are handling large, heavy steel components. The footage shows a group using an overhead crane to lift a vertically stacked bundle of steel bars or beams. A worker attempts to guide or steady the load manually, placing their hands near the moving material. Suddenly, due to improper control or failure to secure the load, one of the bars swings or shifts unexpectedly, striking the worker with significant force. This immediate impact hazard creates a severe risk of crush and blunt force trauma. The event is a critical warning that safety protocols strictly prohibit manual contact with unstable or suspended crane loads. It emphasizes the necessity of using taglines, maintaining safe distance, and ensuring all crane movements are controlled and clearly signaled to prevent catastrophic impact injuries. The video documents an extremely hazardous industrial failure where a mobile crane overturns during a lifting operation. The footage shows the crane hoisting a heavy load, possibly a construction element or storage component. Due to exceeding the safe lifting radius or load capacity, the crane suddenly loses stability and violently pitches forward. This causes the crane structure and load to crash onto the ground with tremendous force. The event produces severe crush, fall, and impact hazards for both the operator and nearby workers. This incident is a critical warning that site assessment, proper outrigger deployment, and strict adherence to the crane's load chart are absolutely essential. It reinforces the need to never exceed safe operating limits to prevent catastrophic crane overturns. The video shows a severe safety violation where a worker is riding on a suspended load being moved by an overhead crane, an action strictly forbidden. The lifting rigging suddenly fails or becomes unstable, causing the massive load to drop immediately and forcefully. The worker is thrown or falls with the impact. This event is a strong warning that safety rules clearly prohibit riding suspended loads and require workers to maintain safe distance from all crane operations. It emphasizes strict adherence to work-at-height procedures to prevent catastrophic fall or impact injuries. The video captures an extremely dangerous industrial incident inside a manufacturing facility. A worker enters the operational zone of a press or compacting machine to make an adjustment or perform a minor repair. Without proper isolation, the machine suddenly begins its automatic cycle and the moving component advances toward its fixed position, making forceful contact with the worker. This creates a severe crush and pinning hazard. The event is a critical warning that lockout-tagout procedures must always be followed to fully de-energize machinery before any intervention. It stresses the importance of never placing any part of the body inside the point of operation unless the machine's energy sources are completely controlled and verified. The video captures a critical safety violation where a worker stands directly beneath a massive steel frame being moved by a crane. The lifting cable unexpectedly fails, causing the heavy frame to drop instantly and forcefully toward the worker's location. This event presents an extreme crush hazard. It serves as a strong reminder that safety rules strictly forbid standing or working beneath any suspended load. It emphasizes the need to maintain a safe exclusion zone and verify rigging integrity to prevent catastrophic crush injuries. The video documents a severe industrial incident involving a forklift. Two workers attempt to adjust an unstable load placed on the forklift's forks. One worker enters the danger zone between the truck and the load to reposition it. The forklift operator then inadvertently moves the vehicle forward, causing a severe crush impact to the worker. This event highlights a critical pinch point hazard. It serves as a strict warning to never enter the operational zone beneath or between the forks and load while a forklift is running. It emphasizes the need for clear communication, lowering the load, and fully securing the forklift before any worker approaches. The video captures a severe accident where a worker bending to pick up an item is struck by a forklift moving in reverse. The operator fails to check the blind spot, causing the forklift to collide with the worker and knock them to the ground. This event warns that 360-degree visibility, horn use, and strict pedestrian equipment segregation are essential. It emphasizes maintaining a safe clearance zone at all times to prevent catastrophic collisions. The video shows a severe fall incident involving a worker using an improperly set up A-frame ladder at height. The unstable ladder shifts and collapses suddenly, causing the worker to fall sharply to the ground. This creates a serious impact hazard. The incident warns that ladder inspection and full stability are mandatory before working at height. It reinforces strict adherence to ladder safety rules and ensuring the ladder is placed on a secure, level surface to prevent catastrophic fall injuries. The video documents a critical industrial incident where a worker stands near a press or molding machine. A component or pressurized material suddenly ejects with significant force, striking the worker and throwing them to the ground. This event creates a severe projectile and impact hazard. It warns that workers must always remain outside the line of fire and that proper guarding is required to contain high-pressure ejections. It emphasizes the need for strict pressure checks and maintaining safe operating distance to prevent catastrophic impact injuries.